Hi.
Hello, I'm audible.
Yeah, good evening. How are you?
I'm good. I'm fine. What about you?
I'm also good. Thanks for asking. Which part are you in India?
I'm from northern part of India,
Which state do you belong to?
Uttar Pradesh.
UP. Okay. Are you a student or working?
No, I am a student.
Which department are you studying?
Right now, I'm pursuing my masters in commerce.
Wow. Then why do you want to know about electrical and electronics or civil mechanical? Why?
Just because of I'm preparing for the civil services also in the same way.
Wow, civil services means state or UPSC.
UPSC.
Wow. Then is it your first attempt or have you appeared before?
No, in 2026. It's my first.
Okay, then do you take coaching or are you self learner?
Yeah, self learner.
Okay,
After clearing prelims, I will join.
okay. But right now you do self study, right?
Yeah,
Okay, how much time do you invest with study per day?
study. I had studied
Mm-hmm.
6 hours. 6 hours.
6 hours. Okay. Apart from preparing, what do you do? Do you do any kind of part-time job or do you help your parents something or what else?
No, my parents. You can say. Help me. So they give me the pocket money and all.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
You don't do anything. You only focus your study. Is it?
yeah, yeah.
Okay. That's it. Then, what type of help do you take? Like, do you take help from YouTube or any kind of offline or any only books? You study only books, or do you take help from Chat GPT or YouTube? What else?
Yeah, sometimes. When I just get a little bit confused over some topics, so I just look over there by the YouTube or I have
Mm-hmm.
I have some of the batches. No, so I just let that also.
Okay. Then
And
which?
when
Mm-hmm.
when I'm not satisfied, so one of my friend have the batch of Drishti IAS, so
Okay.
I look over that from.
Okay.
Yeah,
Drishti Coaching Center, and you follow their guidance and you follow their YouTube, right? That faculty, they
yeah,
upload their so many YouTube video, means they take interview uh, from aspirant and you watch it and you prepare with yourself, right?
yeah.
Okay, so fine. Then you tell means you spend 6 hours per day. Then which book do you follow? Which book? Lakshmikant or different? Which?
No, right now I'm just focusing on the uh, math, reasoning, and
Mm-hmm.
English and
Your local
and
language.
the main the central thing is that I'm just
Mm-hmm.
looking for the prelims first. When I clear prelims,
No,
next I will yeah.
you should focus both. It is a better for you because if you clear preliminary, then you don't get lots of time to preparation your main, right?
No, I studying the subject also, but
Okay.
as not as much specialized over that. I looked over the GS section also. The
Yeah,
history
I
and the
got.
polity and the geography. in the economy. But as not much.
I
As
got
not
your
much
point.
as yeah.
I got your
That
point.
yeah,
You invest your 80% right now in preliminary and that part, and you 20% invest your subjective part, right? But
yeah, correct.
80% you focus only preliminary. If you
Yeah,
if you succeed in preliminary, then full time you focus your subjective main exam, right?
yeah, right.
Okay, advance all the best. As soon as possible you succeed and you get your destination where you want to reach.
Thank you so much
Yeah.
for
Then
such warming.
do you
Congratulations.
do you focus current affair regularly?
Yeah.
Okay. Then in GK also you do it, right? If you right now also we connect each
What?
other. Sorry,
Mm.
sorry.
No, you continue.
Okay,
No, you can continue.
okay. Then one thing also you can do, because if you connect with different state people, then you ask their government also, and you have to know also government rule regulation, right? And you also know about their state historical place, and you know which government running in there, right? That is also GK,
Right.
right? That
Yeah.
is also GK.
Yeah.
And you
Mm.
also ask about their food culture, everything, what famous in their
Yeah. Yeah.
festival also, because if you want to be an IS officer, then you have to know about everything, right? General knowledge, not
Yeah.
deeply, general knowledge. Because if
Yeah.
you are belonging in UP, then I think UP has 56 district, right?
Yeah.
And have you met ever any district magistrate in there?
Yeah. In school times, I met.
Okay, but right now you never met anything, right? Then
Yeah.
have you been any block area, tahsil area? Have you met any
Yeah.
tahsildar, any BDO, any department? How many department run in block? How many department in tahsil? Do you know about it?
No, there is no any. You can say there is no any work
Yeah, but
regarding all this.
you
So
should go and you should know about it. What is the duty of sarpanch? What is the duty of samiti member? What is duty of jilla parishad? What is the duty of minister? You have to know about it, right? Because that is
yeah.
also it become interview. If you face any interview, they ask about how many district in your state, how many block in your state, and what is the role of tahsildar, what is the role of BDO, right?
Yeah.
And if you know about deeply little bit, it is easy for you, right? And all department control DM, then what is the means role of district magistrate, right? Then you have
Yeah.
to
It's all okay.
pardon.
No, no.
Okay, then what's your father does?
He indulge in agricultural activities.
Okay. Mm-hmm. That's good. And what kind of crops cultivate in your field?
In right now, paddy, the
Only.
cultivation of paddy
Okay.
after one month or yeah.
Okay, only one crops in cultivate in your field, not a different crops.
There are so many crops.
Mm-hmm.
Like cereals and the vegetable crops
Okay.
and uh, and the forestry. I mean not the forestry. I mean the horti. I mean no. I mean no. I mean
Okay.
not the horticulture. It's floriculture and the
Okay.
pisciculture and
Then you
yeah,
tell which part are you in UP? North, east,
Bahraich,
south? Pardon?
Bahraich, Bahraich.
Okay, but which part? North, east, south? Which part?
Eastern part.
Eastern part. Okay. How many historical place in there in eastern part?
Like
Then you have to know about everything. It is belong to current affair, right? Then you know about everything,
yeah,
because you know India has 28 state. Then which state is bigger state from other state? Which state?
gu- I mean, I mean, which state is bigger than the Uttar Pradesh?
No, no,
It's
which,
Maharashtra.
no, no,
Mhm.
which state is bigger from all state?
It's in respect of area or what?
You know India has 28 state, right?
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
UP is a bigger state in India and Goa is a small state in India.
No, I mean in terms of area or population, demographic condition or what? I mean, if we are discussing about the demographic conditions, so Uttar Pradesh is the first. If
Yeah,
we are talking about the respect,
population wise
if we are
also
talking about,
UP is a so high population UP.
yeah, so it's first rank in
Yeah,
respect to the population.
yeah.
But in respect of area, it ranked fourth rank. Like first rank is first is Rajasthan, मध्य प्रदेश, गुजरात नहीं राजस्थान, मध्य प्रदेश, महाराष्ट्र, उत्तर प्रदेश, गुजरात. Yeah, these are the five most in respect to the area.
Population is so high in there, right? UP.
Yeah, it's around I mean 25 crore I think it
Okay,
is.
how many constituency in there? How many constituency
I mean constituency. I mean
in
you can
UP?
I mean you can calculate constituencies on the basis of 10 lakh per one constituency. So you can divide 25 crore to. So you can say it's around 250 to 280 around constituency.
80, 80, 85 or 83, I know about it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is in
So it is
there.
yeah.
Then have you visited different state or
No, never, never.
never? Okay.
Even I'm not even cross my own district Bahraich.
Okay. Then how long have you been using this platform?
I mean it's now.
It is your first day?
Yeah, man, it's first.
Okay. How did you know my profile or how did you get my profile?
I mean, how just I get entered into the VR, so I mean, some of the friend of my circle use, so he just let me know that you can reach that, yeah. So he let me know about that. I mean, 2 or 3 days before. So I think, I mean, right now I thought that why not I can.
Okay.
So I just entered in the VR, so that's it.
Okay, okay, okay. That's good. That's good. Because it required
Yeah,
to learn also language and we get also fluency and confidence, right? And
yeah.
if
I
you,
mean,
yeah, if you want to become IS officer, then definitely you have to know about 4, 5, 6 languages, right? because which cadre
Yeah,
do you
yeah,
get in future you don't know, because if you get a good
absolutely.
rank then you get your same one state. If you according to rank wise you get a different state, and according to your choice also, if you have a good rank, or if you don't want to become IS officer and you want to IPS
Mm-hmm.
officer, then you also get also different state, right? Then we have to know
Right,
about also language, we have to learn also language, right?
right.
Yeah. Then not only Hindi and what's your native language?
Yeah, it's Hindi.
Hindi. Okay, it is your native language,
You
right?
know, yeah.
Okay. Then apart from Hindi and English, do you know in another language?
No, I don't know.
You don't know.
But my friends know. I mean, my friends know. Uh,
Okay. Then you start also. Okay, right now you focus your study, but you have to focus also different language also, right? Because
okay.
if you get a chance to provide your service, or if you become IS officer in south part, then you have to learn their native language, right? Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, whatever. If you get in Tamil Nadu cadre, then you have to learn Tamil, right? Then that is a
How many
different.
languages is? Okay, yeah. I mean, how many languages that you know?
I can speak fluently my mother tongue Odia, but I cannot speak fluently Hindi and English. Right now I am learning
Mm-hmm.
stage Hindi and English, and I can understand Bengali, because Bengali and Odia little bit similar, but I cannot speak fluently Bengali. Otherwise I can understand Bengali fluently. I can understand Urdu, because Urdu and Hindi similar language, right? But I cannot speak. Only I can speak fluently my mother tongue, Odia.
Okay. So when you had done your, uh,
Hmm.
I mean, BTech, I mean, it's in electronics,
5 6 year, 5 6 year ago.
5 6 years ago. Okay.
Yep. Then right now, are you at home?
Yeah.
Okay. Then definitely you are a good speaker, no doubt. But we have to polish our fluency and confidence, right? And
Absolutely.
yeah, because not like right now we are talking, because in future you become a IS officer, then you have to interact with so many different category people, right? Well educated people, ministry level, secretary level, or public, or different category people. Then if
By the
you.
way,
Hmm.
I think, do you have, I mean, there is any kind of, I mean, like there is any issue regarding the land and yeah, something like that. I mean, there is disputes of land or like that. There is specific to you.
Sorry, what you want to know about me? Dispute about land or something? What?
I mean, I just wanted to know that there is any your personal disputes regarding the land. I mean, that's why you know more about the Tehsil and the blocks and the district magistrates and the,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
yeah, I mean the other offices and the Tehsil and all. Like
Hmm.
at our home, I mean, Bade Papa